Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Welcome. I'm impulsive. I really am. I really am. I feel like every day I buy a new bag and I just can't help it. I'm a bag girl. I'm a bag lady. And personally, I really don't know what to say. I have no excuse. There's absolutely no excuse for what I'm about to show you. But I did it. This is a Christmas gift to myself. This was like one of my biggest like bag purchases. I do have other designer bags, but my mom has bought them for me, or like in the case of my Tory Burches, I typically like buy them on a budget. This is the only bag that I have not bought like budget wise, so I'm really excited for her. And you know, I'm just gonna show you. I ordered, I don't even know how to pronounce this name, jacquemus. I don't speak French, okay, and I don't want to butcher it, so y'all know who I'm talking about. And I got one of his bags because I thought it was really cute. I ordered from 24s.com. It's actually a French website and I don't know how I landed on it, but I did. And yes, it came in this box, and as you can see, I haven't even opened her up, none of that, so I'm so excited to reveal her. I'm so excited. Okay, it comes in this cute dust bag. She's a mini bag, and mini bags have been my thing lately, so I really can't help it. It just has like its little brand name on it. It's tan. It feels like a canvas kind of bag, I guess. And obviously there's a pull string. Okay, so she's still wrapped up tight. Like I told you, Fort Knox. I haven't opened her, so let's reveal her. When I showed my mom was like, oh, that's so cute. I feel like I need a bag this color. She's not my usual color. Like, I'm usually like a black bag, you know. I have like my yellow Telfar, but even then she like rarely gets worn. She's like a special occasion bag, and even if this is only like a special occasion bag, obviously I don't think that she's an everyday bag. I think that she could be one if you got like the tan or the black colors, but I didn't do that, okay? I wanted something different in my closet, so I did something different. Here she is. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I will put it somewhere up on the screen, but she's so cute. I'm sorry, I love the smell of leather. It's really weird, but she's so cute. I love her. She is a shoulder bag, obviously. I didn't want to get the ones that everybody usually gets, just because I wanted something different. I didn't want anything that like screamed I'm on a bandwagon, but I really liked this. I thought it was really cute. I thought it was really simple. It looks like a wallet, but like not. And I don't know, it's just so cute to me. And it's a clasp bag, so obviously a little button or whatever. She retails at $480. Yeah, leather. It's so soft. I think it's like cow leather or something like that. If you're vegan, I'm sorry. I'm not vegan, so I don't know what to say. So obviously it's like a little wallet style in the front, so I have like a place for my cards. Ooh, comes with like a little tag. Oh, it's called the Le Pichoto. Okay, I know I butchered that. Yeah, I know I butchered that, but it is what it is. Has a little moment for some change. I love a little change spot because I stay having quarters at the bottom of my bag, like it's so bad. And then of course there is like this place right here where it has the name of the bag, and it's canvas inside as well. Here we go. This is the test. I know it's not gonna fit. Okay, it doesn't fit my iPhone 13. So if that is like something that's important to you guys, I really don't know what to tell you, because it's not really important to me. I will hold my phone all night anyway, and this is like a bag that I probably wear like if I'm going out with friends or something like that. So, or like a date night or whatever, I will hold my phone. So that isn't really important to me, but if it's important to you, then don't get this bag. She's little. She is in literally the size of my phone, like just a little bit more room, but other than that, she's the size of my phone. And if you know how big an iPhone 13 Pro Max is, there goes your answer. I'm pretty sure my phone would fit without the case, but obviously who's running around without a case? Unless you are. Then if you're running out without the case, then you'll be fine. The straps are like this. It's so cute. They're knotted on the sides. It has a cute little gold J. It's gold accenting, or hardware, should I say. And yeah, it's a really simple bag. I think that is like the cute thing about it to me, that it's super simple. It doesn't have to do too much. And I know that everybody likes the little mini bags that like you can't fit like a credit card in, and I just didn't want to do that. I didn't want to spend the same price point for a bag that I don't see myself wearing very often, for a bag that I can see I can add this to like an all black outfit. This could be my pop of color in the winter and then fall. This could be my colorful accessory in the spring or summer. I just can see myself wearing this at any time, so that's why I got it. I really love, yeah, there we go. I really love the color. This hot pink is so beautiful. I like, this is just such a pretty bag, and I just am excited to wear it. Hold on, let me see. This is what it looks like on the shoulder, and I just think it's super cute, you know, like it's just one of those like moments, and it's just a cute statement piece. So she will be worn. Anyway guys, if you are budgeting, or like I said, you are balling on a budget, then maybe this is not the bag for you. I know that typically I am on here talking about a deal and, you know, like, buy what you want to buy. This was my gift to myself, so I had definitely put in mind that I was going to make a purchase for this amount of money. And I feel like if I can buy a Tory Burch bag, like from the Tory Burch website, for the same price, then I can give myself a designer bag for around the same price. I need to cut this tag off. But yes, I'm so excited to wear her. I'm so excited to, you know, give her a go. Like I said, it's made out of leather. If you are vegan and you are against things like that, then I do not suggest buying this bag. And that's pretty much all I can really tell you guys. Anyways guys, I hope that you guys liked this unboxing. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're feeling friendly, then follow me on Instagram at thatsocuteauntie. I have it linked down below, as well as my TikTok. I'm a TikToker now, y'all. I'm trying to get into the TikTok groove. I love TikTok. I literally spend my whole life on TikTok. I love it. So hope to catch you guys there, and I will catch you guys back here with another video. I have another video. I'm literally about to film it right now, so make sure you're back. If you are balling on a budget, then this is the video for you. I promise. Period. Catch you guys next time. Bye.